guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shiro and I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken skewers. I marinated my chicken for 24 hours. I'm going to be showing it to you and we're going to get right into it. So I started off with 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of olive oil, and then I put on my garlic. This was 1 garlic cut into small pieces, and then I added my spices. I had paprika, blend, garlic, salt, and I also had turmeric, and then I mixed in my ingredients. As you can see, I mixed to make the marinade. Keep mixing. After that, I added 1 lemon juice, like juice from 1 lemon, and then I kept on stirring, and then it was time to add my chicken. This is chicken breast cut into small cubes, and then I mixed it in all there, and then it was time to just cover it and let it chill in the fridge. You can do as long as you have, like from a few hours to like a whole day. I had the whole day, so it was on a weekend. I did a whole 24 hours. The next day I soaked my skewers in just warm water with some baking soda, and then I cover my baking sheet with this foil to just keep it clean, and then I cut my bell peppers, as you can see, just to add on color, and also they taste really good. It was time to put the meat into the skewers, and here you go. I was alternating the color for the look of things and just for fun. So I did all this, putting the meat into the skewers and also the peppers. When all my chicken was into the skewers, I added the peppers that I had left because I didn't want to waste anything. I added them at the top, and then I didn't also want to waste the marinade, so I put the marinade on top of the meat. It was really rich and tasty, so I put it on top of the chicken. At this point, my oven was preheating at 200 degrees Celsius, and then I put my chicken in the preheated oven for 35 minutes, and this is after 35 minutes. My skewers were all ready and they were so tasty and delicious. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I post 3 recipes every week. Share and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and also let me know if you try. Bye bye.